Hallo und herzlich willkommen to My Germanized Life, where German finally makes sense most of the time. Today, we're going to start with how to introduce yourself in German. I'll teach you simple phrases with slow pronunciation and a few little tips. Let's get started. The first phrase is hallo. Hallo. It means hello. Hallo. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Good day. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Good evening. Guten Abend. Gute Nacht. Good night. Gute Nacht. Now, gute Nacht is for saying goodbye at night, but not for greeting hello. Next, let's look at some informal introductions for friends, classmates, and people you know well. Wie heißt du? What's your name? Wie heißt du? Ich bin, I am, ich bin, ich heiße, I'm called, ich heiße. The ich is a soft sound. It's not ich, like a hard K, but a soft sh. Ich. Mein Name ist, my name ist, mein Name ist. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. It's nice to meet you. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Or for short, freut mich. It's a pleasure. Freut mich. Und du, and you, und du, as in, and what's your name? Next, let's look at some formal introductions. For work, when speaking to older people and strangers. Wie heißen Sie? What's your name? Wie heißen Sie? Guten Tag. Mein Name ist. Good day. My name is. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist. Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Pleased to meet you. Freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Und Sie, and you, und Sie. Let's put everything together here that you just learned so far and listen carefully. I'll do a full introduction example. Repeat after me. Hallo, guten Morgen. Ich heiße Sarah. Ich komme aus den USA. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Now let's try a full introduction using formal speech. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Sarah Müller. Wie heißen Sie? Ich komme aus den USA. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. And this means the same thing as what we said before, but if you say it formally. Danke fürs Zuschauen. And if German is finally starting to make sense, subscribe to watch more German A1 lessons at My Germanized Life. Check out mygermanizedlife.com for German learning resources like flashcards and interactive exercises. You've completed the first step to learning A1 German. Watch the next video to continue learning A1 German from home. Bis bald. Auf Wiedersehen.